Scammers are actual scumbags, so I decided to track one of their IP addresses down to scare them. Okay, so there's a scammer that keeps spamming my YouTube comment section. So after months and months of deleting his comments, I decided to actually contact him. Hello sir, I need help on Bitcoin. How may I help you? I want help on Bitcoin, sir. Alright, so how may I help you? Bitcoin has been dropping recently and I need help on it. Okay, what kind of help? I lost money on Bitcoin and I need help recovering it. Can I have your wallet ID? Why? How do I help you if I can't access a source? Okay, I will get it. Okay, how much did you lose? $30,000. When and how did you lose it? I lost it yesterday at a bar playing poker. Okay, before I start, I just want to tell you that this is not free because I will be hacking into his phone and everything. So first, can you tell me his phone number? Okay, his phone number is his 1-800 number. Are you sure that you are saying the truth? Because I don't want to hack the wrong person. Absolutely, I am saying the truth. Okay, send me a message on WhatsApp. Link in my bio. So I went to his bio and I contacted the number. Hello sir, I talked to you on Instagram about losing the 30K. Can you help me recover it back? Yeah, this is the number of the person that you lost to poker, right? Yes. Okay, can you send me his account details? Yes, his name was Donald Robertson. Can you give me his reference number or transaction ID? I can't hack into his account with just his name. But I gave you his number. There are thousands of individuals who bear Donald too, you know? Okay, I can give you his home address. No need, I will find out myself. If you can find it yourself, then why don't you hack him? I will hack him, but it will cost you $2,000 in order to recover the money. And it will take 2 hours to hack into his phone. I thought you needed more information. But anyways, how do I send the money? I will send you my wallet address to pay to. Okay, can you send me the wallet address? Here, send me a screenshot of payment when you make the payment. Okay? Okay. And a couple minutes after that, I sent the money and I gave him an IP grabbing link to this. And because the scammer wasn't a real hacker, he didn't realize that it was an IP grabbing link. And he didn't use a VPN. So, this is where he is from. Lagos, Nigeria. So it was time to reveal it. I have a question. Okay. Are you a scammer? Well, I am not. Then no. Why is your IP address from Lagos, Nigeria? And why do you use fake YouTube accounts to recommend you? Well, I am not. To think that I was actually starting your work only to discover this, that you were just playing around. And after I said that, he unfortunately blocked my WhatsApp number, but I still contacted him through Instagram. You are a scammer from Lagos, Nigeria. No, please, I'm not. I tracked your IP address, so I know that you are from Nigeria. Well, I know you would, so I put it there. Well, if you knew that I would get your IP address, then why do you even click a random link? I'm not a scammer. Stop insulting. Then why do you use fake accounts to recommend you? Because I helped them out before. You can ask them. Those accounts are fake because why would someone actually name their YouTube account Michael Recommended Ultranotch on Instagram? No real person would do that. Well, if you believe it's fake, why don't you ask them instead of coming here to ask me? I did a job for them and they recommend me. It's because you are the owner of the account. If I contact them, you would just lie to me. Also, I know that they're fake accounts because why would someone spend hours of the day to recommend you? And on top of that, why is a person in their account's profile picture not even them? Well, I am from Alabama. Dude, I tracked your IP address. Well, you didn't. I honestly don't think you realized what that link did. Well, I did. As soon as I click it, you get to see my location. Well, that's exactly what the link does. But if you knew that, then why did you click on the damn link? To play along? Why are you wasting time then? I was curious, you know. No, man. In reality, you weren't curious. You were just an idiot that clicked on it. Nah, I led you on it. You think you're smart. Okay, I don't think I'm smart because any 11-year-old with a laptop could have done it. But you, sir, are stupid. Well, we both think we are smart, and none of us agree that one of us is stupid. So it is your opinion against mine. Smart fool? Okay, if you really are smart, you wouldn't be wasting time. You know that I will give you no money. Alright then. You are a scammer. And on top of that, you're really stupid because the number that I gave you was a damn 1-800 number. Please don't call me a scammer, okay? Since I never collected anything from you. You are a scammer and a loser from Nigeria. Okay, why can't this guy just admit that he's a scammer? Like, why is it so hard to do that? But that was the end of our conversation. I know that's kind of a lame ending to everything that unfolded, but anyways, I really do hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, then tapping the like button and the subscribe button will really help out the channel analytics. But anyways, I would take that as a win against the scammer. So, until next time, I'm Shri.